Hi Wood Creek, it's Miss Oliver. I want to show you the tool Destiny. So if you want to find a book that's physically in our library, you would want to search there. So you'll start by going to Students off of the home page. You'll log into My Umble. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Scroll down until you see the green app with the red book on it. This shows you what is in our library and what you can find and physically get off the shelves. So click on that. You'll have to select Wood Creek Middle School. Once you're there, there's a couple things that you can do in Destiny. First of all, you can look for a book. So if you want to see if we have the book, The Hate U Give by Angie Thomas. Since I know the title, I'm going to click Title. And I see that it is in our library, but right now it's checked out. When I come back though to see if it's on the shelf, I'm going to look here. I'm going to look at YA, which means young adult fiction, and it's Angie Thomas is the author. So when I go to the young adult fiction section, I'm going to look for THO. That's going to help me find that book. Now, if I want to go back and I want to see if we have a book on, or we'll just say the genre horror. A lot of people like horror books. So I might select subject. When I do that, it pulls up 9+ pages of books that are related to this key term or this subject. And if I look closely, I'll see all of the call numbers. Like for instance, this book, it is available and it's going to be in science fiction, SF, and I'm going to look in that science fiction section for the author's last name RYA. That's going to help me find that particular book. And that works for all categories. If I want to look up all the graphic novels, type that in. And we'll see that we have 718 graphic novels. Some of them are actual graphic novels. I'll know that because it says GRA, graphic novels. Or if it's nonfiction, like how to write your own graphic novel, it just has a number, like 741. So paying attention to the call number will help you locate books faster in the library. So another thing that's really cool is there's this button over here on the top right that I think should be a lot bigger. But if you click on that, it brings you to this screen. You do not have to type in your username and password. You just click on the big blue button, Umble Single Sign-On or Umble SSO. Once you're inside, your screen's going to look different than mine because I have a teacher account. You're going to see something in the top that says My Stuff. When you click on My Stuff, you'll be able to see that you can see your finds. If you have any, you can see any books that you still have out, anything that you need to turn in, or any information about things you might have checked out in the past. You want to make sure that you are logged in so you can see that student profile. The last thing that you can explore is this Destiny Discover. If you click there, it takes you to a new screen, but it gives you a visual of all of the books that we have on the shelf in the library. Like for instance, we have Saul and Gabby Break the Universe, but unfortunately you can see that it is checked out right now. So these are recently added books that you can look through. If you really like Diary of a Wimpy Kid, you can see very quickly 3 of them are out, but this one is in and it should be on the shelf. And then you can click on it and it gives you the call number. So it's in young adult fiction and you'll look under KIN. And that's true for everything. If you want to browse by popular titles, topic, if you like humor, you might be able to look through and you'll see like SpongeBob and you'll see the call number. It's in nonfiction because it just has a number. And then I would look for 818 and it's written by Lewis. So if I want to find any genre like that, I can look under humor. Recently added books, again, ebooks. These are one that are available online. And of course, you can check out Sora for more of those. And there's a few audiobooks, although again, if you want an audio or an ebook, you should probably go to Sora. Destiny, you'll be able to click on My Stuff, look at your holds, your finds, and it'll tell you if you have any of those things. So I hope that has helped you navigate and find books that are in our library at Wood Creek Middle School.